Good day, ma'am and sir. I want to introduce myself first. My name is Diana Morales Bitug. I'm 43 years old. I'm single parent. I have 2 children, ages 20 and 15. I live in Dinalupihan, Bataan, Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm eldest in the family. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 3 years with 8 members of the family. 1 couple, 5 children, and 1 toddler, ages 17, 16, 14, 12, 4, and 2. My duties and responsibility there are cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, and cleaning the house. I took care of them by feeding, bathing, playing with them, and teach and help them for their assignments. And also arranging and organize the things of my employer and preparing the food for them. Second, I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years with 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 toddler, age of 2. My duties and responsibility there are cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, and cleaning the house. I took care of the child by feeding, bathing, and playing with him. Third, I work as domestic helper in Malaysia for 2 years with 3 members of the family, 2 elderly and 1 kid, age of 11. My duties and responsibility there are cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house, and taking care of the elderly. My skills, I can cook Arabic, Filipino, and Chinese food like steamed pork, steamed fish, fried vegetable, soup, and noodles. As domestic helper, it's necessary to be loyal, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking. If you choose me, ma'am and sir, as your domestic helper, I promise to be loyal, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible. Thank you, take care, and God bless.